Children, now we will discuss the heartbeat and pulse. All of you know the heart pumps the blood throughout our body by contracting and relaxing. When the heart contracts and relaxes, it makes a sound or a beat, and that sound or a beat is called a heartbeat. A sound or beat produced by the contraction and relaxation of the heart is called heartbeat. A healthy person's heart will beat 60 to 80 times in 1 minute. If a person's heart beats from 60 to 80 times in a minute, that means that person is healthy. So now, what is a pulse? A rhythmic wavy movement. Here you can see, and if you have visited a doctor, you may have seen in the ventilator the wavy movement on the screen. This wavy movement is the pulse of the heart. So a rhythmic wavy movement of blood in the blood vessels at the time of pumping of blood by the heart is called pulse. At the time when the heart pumps the blood to the different parts of the body, it makes a rhythmic wavy movement. So this rhythmic wavy movement is called pulse. So this was about the heartbeat and the pulse. Here is an activity. But let me tell you at first, the doctors listen to these heartbeats using stethoscope. All of you may have seen the stethoscope. So this stethoscope is used by the doctor to listen to your heartbeat. Now, we can also check our pulse rate. How can we check our pulse rate? As you can see in your book, you can place your finger of one hand to the nerves of the other hand in the same way as you can see in this picture. And if you observe its beat in 60 seconds, 1 minute is of 60 seconds. So if you observe its beat by putting the finger of one hand on the wrist of the other hand, you will observe the beats, heartbeats in 60 seconds. And then you can answer the pulse rate that you have. You can answer your pulse rate in 1 minute, how many times your heart beat. So this was all about the heartbeat and pulse. Here is a checkpoint. The heart, blood and blood vessels are part of this system. The answer will be the circulatory system. Yes. Number 2. These blood vessels carry blood to the heart. Which type of blood is carried to the heart? The impure blood is carried to the heart to be purified. So, what will carry this impure blood? The veins will carry. So, answer will be veins. The heart pumps blood into this organ where carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. Can you say in which part of the organ, in which organ does the heart pump the blood, the impure blood, to be purified for exchange of carbon dioxide for oxygen? Yes, very good. The answer will be lungs. You can feel this as a rhythmic wave on your wrist. So, the answer will be pulse. Please go through both the videos once again, and we will start with the excretory system in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.